Are you looking for the best dry bags? Check out our top 5 picks. These swings are sure to be best dry bags, and they're all available at great prices. So let's get started.
Product number 1. 6 PCS Dry Bags Waterproof. Experience 6 PCS Dry Bags Waterproof. Lightweight and durable. This waterproof pouch is made of high-quality materials and uses a double-layer waterproof coating to make the product more durable and waterproof. The waterproof dry bag adopts a lightweight design, and you will hardly feel its presence when using it to carry items. Easy to carry. Waterproof bag can be folded into a small size for easy storage and portability. The waterproof bag's for travel smooth surface is easy to clean. Small dry bag is suitable for storing personal items such as mobile phones, charging treasures, wallets, clothes, shoes, cameras, etc.
Product number 2. Tiny Twinkle Wet Dry Bag. Experience Tiny Twinkle Wet Dry Bag. 2-pack reusable waterproof. Smart mess-proof storage solution. This lightweight 12.5-inch by 16-inch travel pouch keeps baby clothes, feeding bibs, and daycare items neatly contained. Washable, compact, and built for everyday convenience. Multi-use family organizer. Designed for diaper storage, holds 8 to 10 cloth diapers, and easily transitions to gym, pool, or travel organizer use. Folds flat and fits strollers or totes. Perfect for parents on the go. Leak-resistant and easy to clean. Heat-sealed seams prevent leaks and odors, while the quick-dry fabric wipes clean in seconds. Ideal for busy families and daily adventures. Product number 3. P-Moy's 5-pack waterproof dry sacks. Experience P-Moy's 5-pack waterproof dry sacks. High quality. The waterproof dry bag is made of polyester and PU coating, smooth surfacing, waterproof and durable. Keep your gear dry, various large sizes. 20 liter plus 12 liter plus 10 liter plus 6 liter plus 3.5 liter. Different large sizes. Waterproof bags can meet your different needs. Product number 4. Unigear Dry Bag Waterproof. Experience Unigear Dry Bag Waterproof. 100% waterproof, made of stiff 500D PVC material and designed with roll-top closure. Unigear waterproof bag protects your phones, camera, clothes, documents, and snacks from water, sand, dust, and dirt. Anti-leak and anti-tear. Features fully welded seams by high-frequency tech. Our dry sack provides a stronger and more durably waterproof construction. Abrasion-resistant for long-lasting. Perfect for boating, fishing, paddling, swimming, and hiking. 100% waterproof. Made of stiff 500D PVC material and designed with roll-top closure, Unigear waterproof bag protects your phones, camera, clothes, documents, and snacks from water, sand, dust, and dirt. Anti-leak and anti-tear. Features fully welded seams by high-frequency tech. Our dry sack provides a stronger and more durably waterproof construction. Abrasion-resistant for long-lasting. Perfect for boating, fishing, paddling, swimming, and hiking. Easy and comfortable to carry. Comes with a single strap for 2-liter, 5-liter, 10-liter, and 20-liter dry bags. 2 straps for 30-liter and 40-liter waterproof backpack. Extra long and adjustable for convenient carry and comfort. Multi-styles to carry for better looking. Reinforce the stress point of D-rings with double sewing, not ripping again even for heavy load. Product number 5. EarthPack Waterproof Dry Bag. Experience EarthPack Waterproof Dry Bag. Roll top. Waterproof backpack sack keeps your gear dry for kayak with waterproof phone case. Top rated by Wirecutter. Durable, reliable, and wallet-friendly are just a few of the reasons why the NY Times Wirecutter chose EarthPack as one of the top dry bags of 2024. Our classic roll-top design keeps your contents dry, and all our bags are all protected by a 5-year warranty. Shoulder strap, 10L and 20L dry bags come with a 24 by 42-inch single shoulder strap. 30L, 40L, and 55L waterproof backpacks are equipped with backpack-style shoulder straps that also come with a sternum strap for added stability. Our new 55L also comes equipped with a heavy-duty waist belt, which relieves added